Good morning class. In the last lecture we have discussed how to balance the reaction by the oxidation number method for acidic medium. Today we are starting with the balancing of the redox reaction by ion electron method, as well as we can also known that particular reaction as half reduction method. So let us see that how we are going to balancing that particular redox reaction involving steps for balancing the redox reaction by ion electron method. Very first step is similar with the oxidation number method. We have to write the skeletal equation. Skeletal equation is the unbalanced equation where the number of atoms are not equal on both of the side, right hand side as well as on left hand side. That means the reactant as well as product are not equal with the number of atoms. Step 2. Here we have to find out the half reduction method as well as half oxidation reaction. Now how we are just going to find out that whatever the reaction is there is half oxidation and half reduction. So children, we have learned about that whenever you are just seeing that oxidation number increases from +2 to +3 or either +3 to +6, it is known as half oxidation. And if the oxidation number is decreases from 0 to -1 or -1 to particular -3, or we can say that if the oxidation number is there decreases from 6 to 3, so that is known as half reduction method. So what we have to do in the step 2, here you can see that we have to separate the reaction into two halves. Half reaction is half oxidation and half reaction. Then after what we have to do is we have to assign the oxidation number for each of the reaction, and we have to identify and write out all the redox reaction whatever they in the couple. Step 3 involving 4 categories where we are balancing the atoms. Very first we are balancing the atoms which are other than hydrogen and oxygen. हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन के अलावा जो भी एटम्स है उसको हम पहले बैलेंस करेंगे. देन we are balancing the oxygen by adding H2O. Then after, if the acidic medium is there, then we are adding or balancing the hydrogen by H plus ion. And in basic medium, we are balancing by adding one of the OH to each side for every H plus. H plus है तो दोनों तरफ हमें OH minus ion को ऐड करना है. Now step 4, we have to balance the net charge, overall charge जो भी है, that is by number of electrons either gain or either loss. ठीक है. अगर ऑक्सीडेशन में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है और रिडक्शन में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, so what we have to do is for the oxidation we have to multiply the whole equation with 5, and for reduction we have to multiply it whole by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. 10 electron is going to be cancelled out. So very next step we have to add the half reaction together and simplify the equation by cancelling the electron by just removing or just cancelling the water molecule if water molecules are equal. अगर कम है तो whatever the large number is there from that particular side we are writing the water molecule. So this is about the steps how we are going to balance the redox reaction by ion electron method or half reaction method. Now let us see one of the example for acidic and basic medium both. 2 examples we are solving for acidic and basic medium. So here let's see. If you want to write the steps, then write the steps, and then we'll move into the half reaction method for acidic as well as. So here we have manganate ion converted into manganese dioxide and iodide ion into iodine. So very first step we are writing the skeletal equation. The same we are writing over here. Now step 2, we are writing the half oxidation reaction and half reduction reaction. Let us see which one is half oxidation and which one is half reduction. So here we have oxidation number for Mn is +7, here +4, here -1 and here 0. So here we can say that this reaction where we have increase in the oxidation number, so that is categorized as oxidation. So here what we are writing, the half oxidation is I -2 I2. That means here there is a loss of electron, we can say that. Now +7 to +4 decrease in the oxidation number, so it is categorized as reduction. So here we are writing that MnO4 minus 2MnO2, that is known as half reduction. Now step 3, we to assign the oxidation number over here directly in that reaction, so there is no need. Then after we have to separate the reaction as half oxidation and half reduction. Now the next step, and we'll talk about, we have to balance the atom other than oxygen and hydrogen. So what we are doing is, for the half oxidation here, there is no hydrogen or oxygen over here, so 2I minus and I2, so here both of the side iodine is balanced. And in half reduction, here we have MnO4 minus NnO2, oxygen यहाँ पे कम है 2, so here what we have, here 4, here 2, so we are adding 2 molecules of water. Oh sorry, MnO2 here only we are writing Mn plus 2. So here we have Mn plus 2. So 4 molecules of water. So what we are writing is, here we have plus 2. So what we have, 4 molecules of water. So we are adding 4 molecules of water because 4 oxygen are over here. Now next step is what? We have to balance the hydrogen. Okay, after oxygen. So step 4. This is the acidic medium. Here hydrogen atom is balanced by adding H plus ion on left hand side. So here we have 4 to the 8. So half oxidation remains same, that is 2I minus I2, but in half reduction MnO4 minus plus 8H plus, which gives Mn plus 2, 4H2. So if you have copied this, then we'll moving to the next particular, in which we are balancing the overall charge of the reaction by adding the electrons. So after balancing that particular in the acidic medium by adding H plus, now here we are balancing the net charge of both the reaction by adding the number of electrons. So here half oxidation will be C, 2 iodine which gives I2 iodine. So here the charge, net charge is minus 2. So here for balancing, what we are doing, we are adding 2 electrons on the right hand side. For the reduction, say we are what the total charge is 7, minus 1 plus 8, that is 8 minus 1, so plus 7. On the right hand side we have plus 2. So what we are doing is we are adding 5 electrons. So plus 7 minus 5, that is becomes equal to plus 2. So both of the side, the net charge, overall net charge is going to be balanced by adding 5 electrons. So what we are doing is we are just adding 5 electrons to left hand side, which gives Mn plus 2 and 4H2. Now we have to total balance overall reaction by suitable integer for number of electrons. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के लिए हम सूटेबल इंटीजर यूज करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे 2 है, when we just seeing over here 2 overall reaction is multiplied by 5 for 10 electrons, and here the whole particular is there multiplied by 2. Okay, so what is the net reaction we are writing over here for half oxidation? For half oxidation we have 10 iodine minus I2, 5 I2, 5 iodine plus 10 electrons. you can see here that how we're just going to multiply that particular 10 electrons. Now next is when we'll talk about for the half reduction, what we have for half reduction, what we are doing is 2 overall whole equation is multiplied by 2. So I am having 2MnO4 plus 16H plus 10 electron, which gives 2Mn plus 2 plus 8 molecule of water. So net overall reaction जब भी लिखेंगे that is going to be cancelled out 10 electrons. Okay, so here you can just see for the acidic medium overall reaction we have 2MnO4 plus 10 iodine minus plus 16H plus, which gives 2Mn plus 2 plus 8H2O plus 5I2. अब हमने देखा है कि अगर बेसिक मीडियम है मेरे पास, इफ आई एम हैविंग द बेसिक मीडियम, for that I have to add OH minus ion on both the side where hydrogen ion is there over here. So what I have to do is, अगर मैं बैलेंसिंग कर रही हूँ, ये हो गया एसिडिक मीडियम के लिए, for basic medium then after I have to add OH minus. तो H plus 16 है तो OH minus 16 हो जाएंगे on both the side. So the next equation for basic medium is 2MnO4 minus plus 10I minus 16H plus 16OH minus, which gives 2Mn plus 2 plus 8H2O 5I2 and again 16OH minus. So overall net charge is going to be balanced. So you can just check the number of hydrogen and oxygen. 16H plus we have 16 over here, 16 again we have hydrogen, so we 16 hydrogen, 16 oxygen we have over here. So you can just have a look over here, that is for acidic medium, and the next one is there for the basic medium. So here we have balanced, that is for net reaction for, यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे ये हो गया एसिडिक मीडियम के लिए, जहाँ पे OH माइनस दिख रहा है that is for the basic medium. You can just check for the basic medium also. So that is about the balancing of the particular reaction in acidic as well as in basic medium both. So when we talked about the particular, if you want to copy this, you can copy that particular one. So you have idea how you are going to balance. Then we are moving to the next particular one, that is related with sulfite ion as well as sulfate ion. If you have copied this, then we are moving to the next example. Yes, now we will see the next example, that is there with manganese ion MnO4 minus, whenever it reacts with sulfite ion, that is SO3 minus 2, whenever SO3 is there, that is sulfite, it converts to Mn plus 2 and sulfate ion, that is SO4 minus 2. So for the acidic medium, step 1, that is remain same as it is, that we are writing the skeletal equation. In skeletal equation we are writing the same one, that is MnO4 minus plus SO3 2 minus, which gives Mn plus 2 plus SO4 2 minus. Here we have the charge plus 7, here we have plus 4. Here we have plus 4 for sulfur and plus 6, that is for sulfur for sulfate ion. So if you just see that we are writing in step 2 about the half oxidation and half reaction by the number of oxidation number. So half oxidation, in which we can say that increase in the oxidation number, that is known as half oxidation. So increase कहाँ पे हो रहा है? SO3 2 minus, which gives SO4 2 minus. And what is half reduction over here? Half reduction is MnO4 minus, where from manganese is decreased from plus 7 to plus 4. So you can just check that how we are going to just balance it out. Then step 3, other than oxygen we are balancing, the oxygen and hydrogen we are balancing. तो half oxidation और half reduction में अगर देखें तो what we have sulfur sulfate, if you have just go through this, we have SO4 2 minus. So here we have 3 and here we have 4. So what we are doing is we are adding the water molecule, one of the water molecule over here. So 3 plus 1 4, SO4 minus 2. And now here for the half oxidation method, just have here will be half oxidation. Now for the step 3, what we have half reduction. For half reduction, what we have is MnO4 minus, which gives Mn plus 2. So here we have 4 oxygen, so we are adding 2 of the water molecule. So here what we are doing is MnO4 minus, which gives Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. Here we have 4H2O, 4 molecule of water. First I wrote 4, but here we have 4 oxygen, so we have 2H2O here. Now we are balancing the hydrogen because it is acidic medium, we are adding H plus. So what we are doing in step 4, we have just written that SO3 2 minus 4 plus H2O, which gives SO4 minus 2 over here. And for MnO4 minus manganate ion plus 4H plus, which gives Mn plus 2 plus 2H2O. Now what we are doing is here we have 3 electrons. When we just see that overall charge, here we don't have need, only one electron be required, so here we don't have need. But here minus 1 plus 3, here we have a net charge 3. So what we are doing is, for making it, here we have Mn plus 2. So what we are doing is we are adding 3 electrons over here on this side. So next step 5, we are just adding the number of electrons to balance it out. So we have, for this one I am just going to write is 3 electrons plus MnO4 minus plus 4H plus, which gives Mn plus 2 and 2H2O. You can just see over here that 3 electrons. And for over here SO3 2 minus plus H2O, which gives SO4 2 minus plus 2 electrons. You can just check it over here that we have SO3 2 minus plus H2O plus we have SO4 2 minus and 2 electrons. So here what we are doing is we have 2 electrons over here and 3. So we are just balancing it by multiplying by the integer, that is 2 over here and 3 over here. So here what we are doing is net equation we are going to write. At a time we have net equation is 6 electron plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus, which is 2 Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O for half oxidation, for half reduction. Now for half oxidation, what we have is 3 SO3 2 minus plus 3H2O, which gives 3 SO4 2 minus plus 6 electron. So electron is there going to be cancelled out. So overall reaction what I am getting is, I am just going to cancel this out. Next step, overall reaction I am going to write 6 electron is going to be cancelled out. So overall reaction over here is 2 MnO4 minus manganate ion 8H plus 3 SO3 2 minus, which gives 2 Mn plus 2 plus 1 H2O, 4 minus 3, that is 1 H2O, and 3 SO4 minus 2, that is for acidic medium. And for basic medium what we have to do is we have to add OH minus. So I am adding, that is for acidic medium. And for basic medium we have to add OH minus ion. So we have 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 3 SO3 minus 2, 2 Mn plus 2 plus H2O plus 3 SO4 minus 2. अब यहाँ पे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, उसको मैं रिमूव आउट करके लिखूंगी 2OH minus. So instead of water molecule I am writing here 2OH minus. So that is 8H plus, and on that side 2OH minus. So here that water molecule is now coming over here with H2O. So here you can just see that the overall reaction is balanced. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 plus 9 18 and 40 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. So here what we have to do is we are just adding 2 more molecules of water. So that is for the basic medium. So that is all about today. In the next particular class we see the more examples. If you want to copy this, then you can copy, and then we are moving to the next particular in the next class.